Namaste student, Khusro Betiya. I, JVN Kaushik Chakravarti from Jyoti Vidyapith University Jaipur, Rajasthan, from Faculty of Education Methodology. Here today we are discuss about the subject biomedical signal processing, and the subject behind the biomedical signal processing is speech signal. So today's topic is different types of signals in biomedical signal processing. Among them we are discussing here speech signals. Speech signals, it is an emerging from a speaker mouth, nose and cheek. That means when we are speak, our three organs, one is mouth, nose and cheek, are functioning. It is a one dimensional functions of time, means it's depend upon air pressure also. Microphone converts the fluctuating air pressure into electrical signals. Voltage or current, in which form we are usually deal with speech signal or signal processing or speech processing. Normally, microphone convert the fluctuations of air pressure in electrical signals, voltage or current, and it's convert into speech signal processing. Digital to analog converter change the analog voltage into binary digital signals. Band limited speech signals of less than 4000 Hz bandwidth can be represented according to the sampling theorem by 8000 samples per second. Each sample can be quantized to 256 levels. That means we are dividing 8 bits per level with little audible degradation of the levels properly covered the voltage range of the signal. Thus, the total information rate required for a high quality representation of speech signals band limited to 4 kHz is 8 bits per sample times 8000 samples per second or 64 kilobyte per second. The aim of speech compression is to reduce the bit rate as much as possible for more efficient storage and transmission. Although the speech signal is a one-dimensional function of a one-dimensional variable time is generated by a parallel nervous system which is communicated with brain and controlling the muscles of various organs participating the articulatory process, vocal cord, tongue tip, lips, etc. This nerve system commands do not only occurs in parallel system, but they are noticeable organized in different delay of the nervous system or nerve fibers. So speech signals is very important signals in our organs from which were generated the electrical signal of the pressure from air pressure. Air pressure convert into electrical signals by the microphones, and which is correlate with our nose and cheek, and it's a one dimensional signals. So from vocal cord we are also generating the signals and is recorded by your throat, nose and mouth, which is correlate with different types of signals in different modes with different kilobyte per second. It's a one dimensional parallel nervous system signals which is coordinate with brain also and other muscular system. Suppose we have the pain, we have some accident or fracture, our vocal cord is generally evaporate the functions, generally the accelerating the functions as we are accidental modes. So our brain and our other associated organs are also correlate with the speech signals. Thank you.